Hi everyone. So in this video I'm going to show you how to create buy one get one free offers in WooCommerce using an all-in-one WooCommerce plugin called Merchant Pro that comes with over 40 modules designed to boost the sales on your store. So I'm going to go over now to my test site where I already have Merchant Pro installed and I've enabled the buy X get Y module. So I'm going to start with a classic buy one get one free offer using the specific products trigger. So I'm going to choose a product on my site and I'm going to say that if you buy one of these then you get one of the same product with a 100% discount. So let's now go over to our store and click on the product, and we can see here it says buy one get one free. This is our offer title that you can customize, and it says buy one and you get one with 100% off. So let's just try clicking that. So we can see we have one full price and one with a 100% discount. So let me just go back to this. So we can also configure this to be, for example, like a buy three and get two, which is another quite common offer. So if I refresh, we should see that this will update to, I did not update this, so sorry, buy three, get two. If I refresh, so now it says buy three and you get two with 100% off, and it will work in just the same way as before. There we go, 3 for full price, 2 for free. So this is called buy X get Y for a reason, and it's because it also works with different products. So for example, let's say you want to do something like buy 3 polos, then you get a discount on another product. So for example, I'm going to use sunglasses. I'm going to say that you will get a 20% discount on a pair of sunglasses if you buy 3 polos. So that is what we can see here now. Buy 3, get 1 20% off. If I add this to my cart, that's what you can see here. Discount 20% has been applied to the sunglasses because I have 3 pairs of polos. Let's say I remove one of my polos. Now I only have 2, so I don't qualify for this deal anymore, and the sunglasses are automatically removed. Another thing we can do, instead of doing specific products, we can use all products as a trigger. And now this offer, so for example, let's say it's buy 3 and get 20% off 1 pair of sunglasses, then this offer is going to show on every single product in store. So we can be on cap, and it's going to say buy 3 caps, you get 1 pair of sunglasses 20% off, and this will be on all the products. So if I buy 3 hoodies with logo, you get the same deal. You get 1 pair of sunglasses with 20% off. So there's quite a lot of flexibility in terms of the offers you can create. And you can also exclude products from showing the offer or exclude categories. You can also do a fixed discount to the percentage, and we also have user conditions. Maybe you have certain users you want to see this offer, or certain roles, like maybe you have like a VIP role for customers who spent a certain amount or something like that, and then only they will see this offer. And you can create as many of these offers as you like. If we scroll down, you can see we have here add new offer. You can create as many as you want. And next I would like to show you how you can also show upsells. We have upsells for the cart page, the checkout page, and the thank you page. I'm just going to change the product that the customer gets to a cap, and I'm going to have the trigger as all products as before. I'm going to click save. So we can see here, if I buy 3 hoodies with a logo, I'm going to get 20% off. Okay, so let's clear my cart first. Now let's say the customer adds 3 hoodies to their cart, but they don't click this, so they're not taking advantage of the offer. So because I have the cart upsell turned on here, this is why we are seeing this upsell in the cart. So it's saying you are eligible to get 1 times cap with 20% off. And all the customer has to do is click add to cart here, and it will be added straight to the cart like that. So I'm just going to remove the cap, and now I'm going to go to the checkout, and we will see something similar. You're eligible to get 1 times cap with 20% off, and again it's just 1 click and the cap will be added to the cart. I'm going to go back again and show you the thank you page offer. So let's say the customer goes all the way through, they don't take advantage of the offer you're showing them. So now they paid, and on the thank you page we're going to give them one last chance to take advantage of this offer, and they can click add to cart, and then they can complete checkout and get the discount that we're offering them. So those are the 3 upsells that we offer for the Buy X Get Y module. And these are the options you have on the single product page. So you can customize how the offer looks so that it matches your brand and your styling. So that's it. That is how to create buy one, get one free offers in WooCommerce using Merchant Pro. Please leave a comment down below if you have any questions about this functionality, and please subscribe to the channel for more WooCommerce tutorials like this. Thanks again.